My name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your weekly technical analysis of LME 3-month lead and LME 3-month tin. I'll start with lead. Yet again, and I know I repeat it, but it is nice to see on this daily chart the market still keeping within the May to October 2020 bullish shift pitchfork. The key feature from last week is obvious. After the stabilization of the previous week on a closing basis over the combined forces of the flatlining short medium moving average, currently 2027, and the medium moving average, currently 2030, this past week has been a payoff, with only a small hesitation last Wednesday at the middle time, currently 2111, and, including today, 9 bullish white soldiers in a row. The break higher on Monday last week over the 50% Fibonacci line of the June 2018 March 2020 move at 2062 was key, as was the last Thursday smash through the 50% Fibonacci line of the February 2018 to March 2020 move at 2127. Now, this 2127 was also interesting, as it was where target X lay, the target for the April bull flag action, so job done. Today, we've punched up into territory not seen since October 2019. Now, last week I mentioned that, and I quote, "There are other patterns developing, I suspect, with this action since February, but they're too early just yet. Maybe next time," end of quote. Well, it is still early, but I have 2 possible ideas on my mind currently, both bullish. A cup with handle pattern and a scalp pattern. Still too early to look at these, just remember them for later. In the meantime, today looks like a bullish opening long white Mariposa that's eyeing the overhead 50% Fibonacci line of the June to October 2018 move at 2221, and maybe the October high at 2262. LME 3-month tin. The move back up started some 8 weeks ago and was, as I pointed 6 weeks ago, due to a bullish 2-day descending hawk pattern made when prices ran into the sand trap, as I called it then, of the huge congestion area dating from 2013 and also 2014 between 24,155 and 22,895. The market proceeded to extricate itself out of it by moving higher. This rise in prices and temporary falls has seen the market moving back up in what has been an orderly channel-like manner in between the lower time, currently 25,710, and the middle time, currently 28,090 of the January to March bullish shift pitchfork, and now this week in between the middle time and the upper time, currently 30,475. Now, last week I was cautious in case this market tries to form a double top along with the 2021 high at 27,500. No such action entered the market's mind as prices plowed right up through it, and the middle time on the same day, last Wednesday. On Friday and today, the market is now testing the July 2011 high at 29,010. Been there over it both days, but we've yet to close over so far. This in part is because we've had 2 high but indecisive patterns last week, and an overtly bearish gravestone doji pattern on Friday that has had an immediate counter today, a possible bullish opening long white Mariposa. Now, I am not denying the benefits of the move higher. I am just drawing attention to the unusual number, given such a move higher, the unusual number of indecisive patterns. There's also one other point I'd like to float, and this is overtly bullish and a little bit out there. It may look as the November 2020 to late February 2021 action could be one leg of a possible type of bullish halfway hesitation. As I say, this is well out there. Anyway, if that were to be the case, then we could be looking topside at a possible target in the $31,250 range. I said it was a little bit out there, but I have anyway drawn a target X for it. And I'd rather say it than not say it at all and just keep stum and see it happen. Anyway, you can see it's just peeking over the top of the chart, the target X, peaking just under the top of the chart in the upper right hand side. Thank you for listening. This weekly broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.